Salam everyone, this is your boy Mr. F. In today's video I will tell you everything we need to know about Apple's 2020 iPhones. The iPhone 12 should be the biggest upgrade in years. Here's everything you need to know, and please hit the subscribe button and like this video. The iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max may make up Apple's current iPhone lineup. But that's not preventing anyone from looking ahead to what's coming this fall from Cupertino. That's when the next iPhone is arriving, and that model, the iPhone 12, will reportedly be Apple's first to support 5G networking. Other reports point to an all-new iPhone 12 design that gets rid of the iPhone's distinctive notch while adding in display Touch ID functionality. And there could be more iPhone models than usual. We're still several months out from the next iPhone launch, at least assuming that production isn't delayed by the coronavirus pandemic, and a lot can change. But here's what we know so far about the iPhone 12. What to expect? Expect two iPhone 12 devices with 5.4 and 6.1 inch displays, and two iPhone 12 Pro models at 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches. Multiple iPhone 12 models will feature 5G connectivity via Qualcomm's 5G modem. The iPhone 12 Pros will likely add a time-of-flight sensor to the three rear cameras, which will aid in Arkansas performance. All new iPhones could feature OLED screens, while the iPhone 12 Pro may offer 120Hz refresh rates. Latest iPhone 12 News One report says that the iPhone 12 will be delayed by months and possibly even slip into 2021, but a separate DigiTimes report citing suppliers denies that there is a delay. A respected Apple analyst has the latest scoop on improvements coming to the iPhone 12's camera. A new iPhone 12 Pro video shows what Apple's flagship could look like and highlights all of the new rumored features. The iPhone 11 starts at a fairly affordable $699, while the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max cost $999 and $1,099, respectively. The wild card is how much 5G support will add to the price of the new iPhone 12. Most 5G-capable phones arriving last year are priced at a premium compared to conventional models. The Galaxy S10 5G, for example, starts at $1,299, $300 more than the already pricey Galaxy S10 Plus. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G also costs $1,299, which is $200 more than the standard Note 10 Plus. The newly introduced Galaxy S20 has 5G connectivity and costs $999, but that's still $100 more than what the S10 debuted at a year ago. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo strikes a positive tone about the pricing for the iPhone 12, saying Apple will not significantly increase the price of 5G iPhones compared to this year's lineup. He estimates between a $30 and $100 bump depending on the specific version. iPhone 12 display. 120Hz refresh rate. The new iPhone 12's display could support a welcome improvement over the screens on many current smartphones. A tweet from Leaker Ice Universe claims that Apple is considering whether to let next year's iPhone switch between a 60Hz and 120Hz refresh rate, much like every new Galaxy S20 model can. This rumor received more weight in October 2019 when DigiTimes reported that the iPhone 12 will have the same 120Hz refresh rate as the iPad Pro. iPhone 12 Touch ID in display. Apple could bring Touch ID back in a big way in 2020 by enabling fingerprint recognition anywhere on the display, according to information provided to MacRumors by Barclays analysts. More recently, Ming-Chi Kuo said that it's possible the 2021 iPhones could feature both Face ID and Touch ID. USB-C charging? And new fast charging. The newest generation of iPad Pro uses USB-C, as does basically every other portable device manufacturer in the world right now, but more important than this is the influence of the European Union. According to a new report, Apple, Samsung, Oppo and other manufacturers will very soon start making chargers that use new gallium nitride technology that cuts the size of power adapters while keeping the same wattage. That means that the iPhone 12 could deliver 65 watts of power and a compact charger instead of the huge brick that comes with the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment down your favorite update. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Mr. F out.